All right. Sleepy kittens. Sleep, get. What are we?
Okay, so you someone to tell the story.
Oh, three little kittens loved to play. They had fun in the sun all day. Then their mother came out and said, "Time for kittens to go to bed." Wow, this is garbage. You actually like this?
Keep reading.
All right. Three little kittens started to bawl. "Mommy, you're not tired at all." Their mother smiled and said to the fur, "Fine, but at least you should brush your fur."
Now the question. What's the head?
This is resolution.
They
Two
just
years.
keep
It is written there. Three little kittens who were all brushed said, "We can't sleep. We feel too rushed." Their mother replied with a voice like silk, "Fine, but at least you should drink your milk."
Mommy can drink the milk.
Oh, this is going on forever. Three little kittens with milk all gone rubbed their eyes and started to yawn.
It's over.
You can't sleep, can't even try. Then their mother sang a lullaby. "Good night, kittens. Close your eyes. Sleep in peace until you rise. But while you sleep, your heart, your mommy loves you with all her heart." The end. Okay. Good night.